Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, also known as the Thrifted Ginger, and I'm coming to you all today with a ThredUp unboxing. So if you're not familiar with ThredUp is an online consignment store basically where you can go on and get secondhand items as well as new with tag items at a discounted cost from retail. You can actually donate to ThredUp and you can sell through ThredUp. So ThredUp puts out boxes that they call rescue boxes or mystery boxes. And what these boxes are items that either never made it to being sold from ThredUp, or they were for sale and expired and they were not reclaimed by the person that sent them in, and then they end up in these rescue boxes. ThredUp puts out new rescue boxes Monday through Thursday, typically in the afternoons after around 1 or 2 o'clock Eastern time. So if you're interested in the rescue boxes, make sure and check every afternoon through the week, Monday through Thursday. They do everything from mixed women's clothes to men's clothes, to shoes, handbags, designer boxes, a little bit of everything. You can check out on my channel. I've done several ThredUp unboxings in the past, including some designer boxes, men's box, shoes, and mixed women's. But today is a special box. This is the first time I have done this box. This is the DIY scrap fabric box. Now you're like, okay, Amy, why would you order scrap fabric? So, the buzz about the scrap fabric boxes is that they're coming with more than just scrap fabric in them, that they're coming with actual clothing items, and actually some really good clothing items. So this box is a very low cost of goods, and I'll share that with you in a minute. So it was worth the risk for me to take it. I love getting rescue boxes because it brings me brands and things that I would not normally find in my own local thrift stores or in the bins. Also, with the rescue boxes, just so you know, it can be a new with tags item, or it can even be something that's absolutely flawed to the point that you could not resell it. So you do take a chance with these boxes. That is my disclaimer on them. I have never purchased a box that I have not at least made my money back off of. The majority of the boxes I have always made a profit on. Some better than others, of course. So we're going to get into this one. I'm excited. I do have this open just for the sake of time because it was full of tape. This box actually came from Suwanee, Georgia, which I've been getting several from Georgia, which I'm a Tennessee girl, so Georgia is close to me. So y'all like my t-shirt? Found this at the bins about a week ago, and Lord, I love the Smurfs. I was an 80s kid, so yes. All right, back to regularly scheduled programming. So here's the receipt. When you get your ThredUp box, this is what it comes looking like. You've got your green little polka dot paper with your, I guess, quality sticker, and then you have a receipt. Hopefully you have a receipt. And this is the Rescue Box DIY Scrap Fabric, and this box was $30. So I can't remember how many pounds this is. I want to say it's like 15, maybe 15 pounds. It doesn't say on the receipt. So I'm not sure how many items we'll have in here. It's scrap fabric. It may just be a bunch of junk, but $30 plus, I believe, like $6.99, $7.99 shipping. It was worth it for me to take the risk, seeing as how people are doing really, really well with this box is what I've seen online. So without further ado, we are going to get into her. So this is what it comes basically like. All your items are stacked on top of each other. So we're just going to start from the top and see what we got. Putting all the good juju on the DIY scrap fabric box. I hope there's something in it. Okay. Which is not going to take much for me to make my money back off this box at $30. So this is a dress. There is no tags, but it is cute. It's a cute little dress. Okay. So this is a maxi dress. This is really cute. Look at that. Oh, it's got a slit up. Okay. Blue floral. Round neck. It's got little knobby buttons. The back is open. It's almost like a little vacation dress. Ties in the back. Really cute. This is really nice. And it looks like it has, some lining down the skirt. So I don't see. I'm going to look to see if there's a fabric tag. Yep, no fabric tag. So there's no brand tag, fabric tag, or size tag, which would definitely be why ThredUp would not have put this on their website. But this is very sellable. So I'm happy with that. I will just list it as a description of, you know, what it is, maxi dress, floral, vacation. Include the measurements to give me an idea of whether it's a small, medium, large, and we'll go from there. I could also end up putting in a whatnot show because I can really describe it well there. So moving on to the next item. The next item is a little shirt. Cute. It's got the open sleeves here. That's really cute. This is Cupio. And the size tag is marked off, but it does look like it was the beginning of an S. This is cute. This is really boho looking. I do like this. It's 100% viscose, so yeah. I'm happy with that. Okay. All right, so we're doing good. We're doing good. Very happy so far. Next, we have another dress. This is probably a boutique-y little, it's a size medium. And it is this yellow. Oh, this is cute. Look at the sleeves on this. Oh yeah, really cute. Little midi dress. Has the ruffles, the flowers. It ties in the back. Oh, really cute little dress. It says it's a size medium, just a little pull over. Let me see if we've got a tag here. Made in China, 100% viscose. So very nice. All right. Here we go. Here's some DIY scrap fabric. And actually, like, used to, I would have done nothing with this. And honestly, now with whatnot, some of this stuff I may actually be able to put in there. Because people know what they're getting. They can buy it for $1 or $2, whether they are somebody that recrafts. Especially like some of these more boho type prints. So, it's not a total loss. All right. The next piece. This feels very old school polyester. I'll just tell you, it does not feel too great. This is just a blouse. There's no tags in it. It's just a blue sheer blouse, button front. Cute little print, but the fabric itself is just a no for me. I would not ever pick up or sell something like, it's like that scratchy polyester. I don't like that. So yeah, that'll be something I'll just donate. This is cute. Okay, this is a floral sheer, short sleeve, just an open little like kimono, like a little shorter kimono, really cute. There's no tags in it, but again, that is very sellable. I can just put it in the, put measurements in there. All right, so this next one is a scarf. It's a pretty scarf. It's very long, cream, sheer, silky, has this embroidered detail on it. And then here's the trim. That's so pretty, guys. So pretty. So I pick up scarves like these at the bins all the time, and I use them for giveaways in my whatnot shows. So that's definitely a go. This right here feels like silk. This is another scarf. This feels like luxury. It has these tassels on all four corners. Look at this floral print. How pretty is this? And it's large. It feels like 100% silk. So what I'll do with this scarf is I will take a picture of it with Google Lens and see if it pulls anything up. A lot of times with scarves, even if they don't have the tags or somebody's pulled the tags off, there may be identifying little marks or logos, especially like in the corners in a flower or something like that. So I always will look for that. Okay, so this goes with, okay, this is rayon, made in India. It's extra large. So that shirt I showed you earlier goes with this maxi dress. It is a vintage tag. Okay, so now that we have the maxi dress, this actually could be more sellable. It is lined. It has a slit in the side. This could definitely go into like a boho show. The dress is actually not nearly, this is more silky up top. It is a polyester feel, but it's not nearly as scratchy as that top. So yeah, I wouldn't care to put that in a whatnot show and let that get sold. Having the whole piece. We've got more fabric. Here we go. Or maybe it's not fabric. What is this? Look at this. Okay. It says fabric. I thought it was fabric. This is a skirt. Y'all. So it has the hook eye closures, the little clasps. Look at this skirt. Ugh. I don't see size tags, but this, like, oh, y'all. I'm trying to keep it buttoned here. Look how pretty this is. This is like very pretty colors. It's got the greens, the pinks. This looks actually, okay, this is the whole, I don't know what these are called, guys, but like the Indian dresses that have the front come up with the scarves. That's what this is. So that's a good piece, I think. I'm gonna investigate it more, get it on my mannequin, see if I can figure out how it goes on. But that may be something that I would put in like a boho show and whatnot, or even especially with maybe Halloween coming up. I see a few good things still in here. We got more to go. So the next piece is Oasis. This is a size 8. I don't know anything about this brand. If you do, leave it in the comments below. This is just a gold foil. It's got like a black, I believe that's a faux leather. It zips on the side, just a little skirt. You can see that. It's paisleys, florals. Cute little piece. Looks like there's like a couple of big dresses in there somewhere. So this is Mana Design. I don't know. Okay, so this is another skirt. You guys, this is a wrap skirt. I'm not going to do it justice with my Smurf t-shirt, but look at that. How pretty is that? Okay, well, yeah. So I'll have to investigate those more. I actually have a boho show going tonight on Whatnot, which is like my favorite show I do on there. And I want to investigate these pieces before I just throw them in. I want to see if there's something special versus just costume. This is Fashion Nova. And this is just a little dress. It's got all this like little studding. And it has it has like a little bodysuit underwear type deal underneath it. So I guess the dress is like sheer, guys. So yeah, that's cute. I would check it for the studding to make sure that it's not missing a lot of studs, but that might be something cute to list toward New Year's Eve. We've got a couple more pieces in here, and these are big, guys. See what I mean? Like DIY fabric for $30. Like, there's a lot more than just fabric in here. This is a pretty cool little box. So what are you? What are you? It's so big. This is Show Me Your Moo Moo, size extra small. It's just a little hunter green maxi dress. Look at that. You guys. Oh my goodness. I'm happy with that. Yes. Okay. I'm happy. Of course, I need to inspect it, make sure there's no major pulls, but I didn't see anything major looking in the camera. So, one more piece, and this is like formal wear. Oh, there's a tag. Y'all. Nuh-uh. All right, here we go. New with tag, Tadashi Shoji. Size 18. Guys, is this real? Is this real life? Do y'all, oh my gosh, look how pretty. Look how pretty she is. Oh my gosh. And it has the return label. So Tadashi has these that are, they're new with tags items. A lot of these dresses come to where you can just clip those off when you're ready to wear them. And what it does, it keeps people from buying these formal wear dresses and just stuffing the tag in and returning them. So they put these on the outside so that you actually would need to cut it off. And once it's cut off, it's not returnable. Look at Size 18, new with tag. Oh, and there's a ribbon belt. Tadashi Shoji, size 18, new with tags. Guys, like, oh my gosh. I have no idea what this retails for. It does not have a price on it. Look at that. Oh, this is in a DIY fabric box. There's the label. Tadashi Shoji, size 18. Oh my gosh, guys. And she's like beautiful condition. I don't see anything wrong with her. Oh, that blush pick. This is beautiful. Okay. All right. I'm a sucker for some DIY fabric boxes, so I will be getting on to see if I can order another one. What do y'all think? Like, is this not crazy? I had seen people on Instagram and YouTube talking about these fabric boxes, but my heavens, like, so for $30 plus shipping, let's forget the stuff to the left that I need to investigate and look at and might be cute, okay? For $30 plus shipping, we have new with tag Tadashi Shoji. We have Show Me Your Moo maxi dress, a floral kimono, and now these pieces right here do great on Whatnot. This dress, the kimono, the shirt, and this halter dress will all go for at least $3 to $4 a piece on Whatnot easily. So right there, you're looking at $12, $13. So literally, I just need the two of these dresses to sell for $16 total, and I've made my money back. This is an amazing box. I'm excited. Like, I'm so excited about this. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think. Has anybody else had a box that they just absolutely like have gotten that they love, or have y'all gotten any of the DIY fabrics that are just horrible? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to click the bell so you get notifications when I upload new content. Thank y'all for joining me with this. I'm excited. This is an awesome little box. So, y'all, crazy. All right. I'll see y'all next time. Have a good night.